Hello guys, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. So I'm showing you today something, guys. I'm showing you today Komodo. A guy of my community asked me, Biti, please take a look about Komodo. And okay, here it is. Here is Komodo versus USDT versus US dollar on the daily chart. But before we will check it, let's take a look about Komodo. I never heard about Komodo, KMD. It's not on the top coins here on the top. What on not on the top 100 here. Let's take a look about this. It can we search here for a coin? It's an interesting thing. I never searched for a coin. Yes, here it is. We can search about KMD. Komodo KMD. Here it is. What a coin! Momently at $1.32. Here's the Komodo chart, okay, and can we see where Komodo is here in our list on CoinMarketCap? It's interesting. Rank 156. Okay, let's take a look about it. We are checking Komodo. I'm sure no one would like to see this video, but there are maybe some guys out there, they would like to trade it. And if someone in my community is asking me to take a look about it, I am making that. Doesn't matter if there is looking one or two persons at it. So here it is, Komodo. You can see on a daily 1.8%, and you can see, guys, and that's very cool, on the weekly 60% for Komodo on 7 days. That's really nice. That's really nice against Bitcoin. So you can, if you are trading Komodo momently, you are making more profit as Bitcoin. Back to the daily chart. Here is the daily chart. Yes, a big pump as the most altcoins made here. The big pump, the most cryptos pumped here, extreme on the last days. Here's the daily chart. Every day is one candle here. And let's go in with the indicator. Let's start with the RSI. I'm sure the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is extreme overbought. Yes, it is. So that's a big thing to think about it. It's extreme overbought, about 77 points here in the RSI. It's very important, guys, to keep that in mind. If the RSI is with 77 points overbought, it's very likely to come down again here from this pump. And as you can see, yesterday, extreme candle, very unsure to close here on the upside or on the downside. It closed in the middle, and today we see a red candle beginning. We have 10 hours for Komodo to close this candle. Let's take a look about what's the important thing. I think it's Komodo KMD versus Bitcoin, because that's the main question, how it looks like. And so you can see that's the interesting part here. Komodo is not working so good versus Bitcoin. You can see it here as it was on 2018. Look at these candles, and now Komodo is here. Interesting. It's pumped here versus Bitcoin, okay, for sure. But let's check this here. Is a higher high? Is this, and is this? And this was the channel Komodo was acting in the last days. Every candle is a day. And you can see the interesting thing is that Komodo has broken this downtrend channel, and that's a bullish sign for Komodo, because Komodo is now breaking up to the upside against Bitcoin, and that's maybe a good point to trade this coin here because of this uptrend, breaking out of the downtrend and a new uptrend, because this is the new uptrend versus Bitcoin here, and that's a very bullish sign for Komodo. Let's go deeper in the 4-hour chart. We are still in Komodo versus Bitcoin, and you can see it here, very bullish here. It's over the middle line. It's here spiked back a little bit over this uptrend channel. It's coming down a little bit more now, and the main thing is we saw the last high. This was this one here, so we have a support against Bitcoin. That's this line here. This support must hold here for a nice up moving Komodo in the near time against Bitcoin. Let's go out from this and let's go into Komodo versus USD or USDT. I'm always too fast, but now, okay, here it is. The 4-hour chart. The RSI in the 4-hour chart looks better. You can see it is on about 50, 55. Okay, so that's the thing. It's looking better on the 4-hour chart. Let's make a uptrend channel, maybe from this to this and to this. That's extreme bullish for Komodo. It's extreme in the uptrend. It's over the middle line. Everything is working fine. Let's close the RSI. Let's take a look on the buy and sell indicators. And on the hourly, now the 4-hour chart, in the 4-hour chart, we have here the sell signal. So momently, it's possible to see more dump of Komodo. Let's take a line from this to this and to this, and this is our new downtrend channel. So as long as Komodo is in this downtrend channel, it's a bearish sign for Komodo, and Komodo has to break out of this downtrend channel against US dollar. Let's turn on the ribbon band. I love the ribbon band. Only just go on indicator and write ribbon. And here it is, the EMA ribbon band. And as you can see, Komodo is fighting now with the ribbon band, and that's the important thing. Can Komodo stay over this ribbon band and going up again, or will it lose the fight here with this ribbon band? Very important to see. Let's go in the hourly chart, and I think in the hourly chart, yes, it is. In the hourly chart, Komodo lost the fight here and is now under the ribbon band, is in the bearish down channel here. And that's the most thing we have to look about. It can break Komodo out of this downtrend or can't break out of this downtrend. Interesting. I have to get back shortly for Komodo to Bitcoin, because that's very interesting. That's very interesting for me. Okay. So you can see on the hour chart, Komodo broke down of this ribbon band. And maybe we see a retest of this downtrend, but the retest was here. Komodo spiked down extreme here, and it should stay over this trend line, in my opinion. Over this, not over this, sorry guys, over this trend line here, from this to this. This is a very important trend line against Bitcoin. If Komodo can stay over this trend line, it's a bullish sign here to go up more and more. So, okay, interesting thing to see with Komodo. One thing I would like to check before I will end this TA, Komodo USDT, is this one. Let's turn off any indicators here to have a clear view here. No. To have a clear view here to this one. On the hourly chart, we may form here, maybe we may form here a shoulder head shoulder. That's a bearish sign here if it is. So it can be, no, not this one, sorry, this one here can be the shoulder, the head, and maybe this one, the shoulder, and we have a line from here to here. That's the important baseline here. And if Komodo will break down from this, I can't predict you a target, because I think it's similar to my downtrend here. Yes, okay, it is. So it's very possible. If this is a shoulder head shoulder pattern, take a look about it. If you are trading Komodo, this is the baseline. You have to watch on the hourly chart. If you are breaking down confirmed, we have a bearish signal for Komodo here about this one, about 1.02. That's the bearish target for Komodo if it's breaking down this trend line. If it's breaking up, it's clear the next thing you have to watch is this one. That's the upper trend line here of this downtrend. That's about 0.46. And the next one is here. If Komodo can break this downtrend, the next one is here with the uptrend about 0.6. Depends where Komodo will go. It's going sideways a little bit more, then it's higher, or so on. So that are the great targets you have to watch about Komodo. I hope you enjoyed my video. That are the news for Komodo for today. For the next days maybe, or for the next week, we will see. Guys, thanks for watching, and we will see us. I hope we will see us again. Make it good. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading video informant. Biti.